The Cadillac CT5 is a midsize luxury sedan that's replaced the CTS. Rivals include BMW 5 Series, Mercedes-Benz E-Class, and Audi A6. Cadillac's given the CT5 a fastback look with a chiseled design. Inside there are soft touch materials and aluminum controls. Base cars are motivated by a 237 horsepower 2-liter Turbo 4, though a twin-turbo V6 with either 335 or 360 horsepower is available. The CT5V Blackwing breathes fire and 668 horsepower from a supercharged 6.2-liter V8. A 10-speed automatic is standard in every CT5 except the Blackwing, which offers a 6-speed manual. Rear-wheel drive comes standard and all-wheel drive is available for all but the Blackwing. The EPA pegs the CT5 as capable of more than 30 miles per gallon on the highway. On the road, the CT5 aims for refinement and outstanding handling, and it hits the mark. The adaptive and adjustable dampers provide a controlled ride with sharp responses. The steering dials in quick reactions and on-center stability. The CT5V Blackwing turns up the heat and provides track-ready handling at a top speed over 200 miles per hour. Comfortable front seats and plenty of rear legroom make the CT5 a comfortable luxury sedan. The CT5 starts around $38,000 and comes standard with automatic emergency braking, synthetic leather upholstery, a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and LED lighting. Upgrades include a performance suspension, larger engines, and all-wheel drive.